What do you have in your hand? Show me your hands.
I was just showing her the thing to let her know to get the gas.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm sure there's cameras.
Mr. Rupp.
I ain't got nothing to say to you, bro. I ain't did it and I ain't being detained. I want to go. I don't got nothing to say to you. You know what you did. I don't got no rap for
so
you.
wrong.
Well, it looks like he's holding a gun.
Sure
Man, that don't look like no gun when you see this right here swinging.
I didn't see that, sir.
Man, yeah, you saw what you wanted to see. You saw a mother with tattoos. Why would I be holding the gun like this right here? Hey, who?
Okay.
Man, you saw what you wanted to see.
Okay.
You profiling mother. Hey, I want your badge number though. I need all that.
That's a very hard dispatcher. I'm going to have a weapons incident, Circle K, 7th Monroe. What do you have in your hand? Show me your hands. Okay. Stay in the car. Okay, turn around. Place your hands behind your back. What are you doing?
I'm filling up gas can.
You understand you're holding it like this, like it's a pistol, right?
No, I was showing her to cut the pump on.
Okay, but that's not what it looks like to the motoring public on the roadway.
I was just showing her the thing to let her know to get the gas.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I turn around?
Yeah, that's fine.
Dang,
Alright. But you understand you're holding it like this and it looks like a handgun, right?
No, I'm trying to let her know to pump the gas, bro.
Okay.
Why you, what the you just pulled a gun out on me. You just sitting there pulled a gun on me because I held up the fucking gas pump?
Yeah, I'm 10-4. Sorry, there's an individual who had something that looked like a gun in his hand. He got out working through it. Yeah, I'll be on telephone.
Wow. I'm gonna get your bag. You know I'm gonna get a lawsuit on you.
What's that?
I'm showing the lady.
That's it. I've got a 490 on my
Look at this. Let me tell you what this motherfucker just did. I'm getting it. Man, I'm gonna lost the hell out there.
521-775-87.
Man, just jumped out and pulled a gun on me. The police did. Because I held up the thing to let them know I needed to pump the gas.
They got cameras in here.
521-775-87.
Put your hands in there. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah,
What?
that's what he did. I'm sure there's cameras.
Mr. Rupp.
I ain't got nothing to say to you, bro. I ain't did and I ain't being detained. I want to go. I don't got nothing to say to you. You know what you did. I don't got no rap for
so
you.
wrong.
Well, it looks like he's holding a gun.
Sure
Man, that don't look like no gun when you see this right here swinging.
I didn't see that, sir.
Man, yeah, you saw what you wanted to see. You saw a mother with tattoos. Why would I be holding the gun like this right here? Hey, who?
Okay.
Man, you saw what you wanted to see.
Okay.
You profiling mother. Hey, I want your badge number though. I need all that.
It's 385.
I need all that.
It's 385.
I know what to do.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what happened?
So I'm driving down the road, and he's got something black in his hand, and he's moving it like it's a pistol. So I pulled in to investigate what was going on. That's all it was.
Oh yeah, because the pump wasn't, his pump wasn't on.
Hey, bro.
And he was signaling me that the pump
I'm a
wasn't.
Richmond police officer in Alabama. You guys.
Okay. Yeah. Just the guy had something in his hand that looked like a gun, and I was like, "What are we doing?"
Yeah, I noticed him as we were coming up.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you
his
saw him
pump
with the
was-
thing in
yeah,
his
his
hand?
pump
I saw him with
wasn't
the gas
working.
pump in his hand. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
his pump wasn't working, and he was signaling me that the pump, the gas wasn't on the pump.
Is he causing a problem at y'all's store?
No, he come in here every day faithfully after work. He come in here to get gas
That's
and cigarettes
simple.
every day.
Thank you.
He don't cause nothing.
Hey, I don't want to hold the gas pump again. You start the gas over, family.
Yes, I will.
Hey, what's your name?
W.
Lawler.
You'll sign the statement and you'll get kept a picture of everything he did.
I just said I had none.
Hold on, now I'm gonna stop.
Can I just get your name?
What?
Yeah.
Jake.
J-A-K-E.
Yeah.
Florida. How do you spell it?
AUW.
Let me
A-
just move on.
UW.
U-W.
ERDA.
E-R-D-A.
Yeah.
And phone number? Okay.
Just say a witness thing.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put his line.
And you work for who?
I'm Pritchard Police Department.
Pritchard in Alabama.
Yeah.
P-R-I-T-C-H-A-R-D.
Yeah.
Okay.
You spelled it better than some of the locals we got.
Yeah, so what did you see when you pulled in?
Come on, baby.
He was just holding his gas pump up like this. I don't know what he had in his hand. He was just kind of raising it up. I don't know if he was trying to straighten it out or
You got
what.
enough of
Okay.
You need to see my law enforcement ID. I know a lot of people contact me.
You're good, man. I appreciate it. All right, you have a great day.
No problem. You're safe out there, all right?
Thank you.
Yeah, you just told me that the gas wasn't on the pump, and I thought it was on the pump. I seen him do that, and I was like, oh, his gas not on there. So that's why he was holding it up. He was signaling me.
Because he was
that-
holding, it wasn't the gas nozzle, he was holding something else up.
Oh, when I seen him, he was holding the gas pump. He was signaling
The
me.
part with the hose.
Yeah.
When I saw him, he didn't have the thing with the hose. He had something else,
Oh.
which is all it was.
Oh, okay. Because I'm like,
Yeah.
wait a minute, what's going on with Green? Because he come in here every day. He's very friendly. He's respectful.
Okay.
And him and his wife come in every day. Come every day.
Okay.
Monday through Friday, they stop by here. They get his $15 worth of gas
Okay.
and his 2 cigarettes,
Okay.
and he roll on out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on out there? He just left out of the store.
Yeah, no, it's what I saw when I was driving down the road. You know what I mean? So,
Right.
I just want to make sure y'all weren't getting like held up or
Yeah,
something.
Right, and I thank you for being
Yeah,
on
that's
the
all it
lookout,
was.
Because we get
So.
some crazy people. I get crazy people through here,
Yeah.
so I'm glad y'all do be alert.
Absolutely. You have a great
I be up
day.
in here, honey, some days, all night by myself.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm glad that y'all be alert. But yeah, he's really kind. I'm sorry.
How do you spell your S-H?
SHANIKA. Thank you, love bug.
No problem.
In the last name?
Crittenden, CRITTEN.
C-R-I-T-T.
EN. D is in dog, EN.
And your date of birth.
5/16/81.
And that works for me. Oh, good phone number.
334-714.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Why my name had to get put down?
Just they like us to just document it.
Oh, okay.
That I made contact with the clerk. Everything's
Okay,
fine. Yeah,
that's fine.
so that's all.
I ain't got no warrants or nothing, honey.
All right.
Good.
Hey, man, you got to stop profiling.
Can you
You
come
ain't
talk to
even
me for a second?
apologize,
Can
man.
you come talk to me for a second?
No, I really don't want to, for real.
Okay.
But you know what you did. And you know you dead ass wrong. You know I ain't had no gun.
After him.
Yeah.